Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data. So, what makes up IoT? The core components are sensors, connectivity, data processing, and user interfaces. Sensors are embedded in physical objects like smart thermostats, wearables, and connected cars. Connectivity refers to how these devices link up via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular networks. Data processing happens in the cloud or on local servers, where all the gathered information is analyzed. Finally, the user interface is how humans interact with the system, often through apps or web platforms. Now, let's talk use cases. IoT is revolutionizing industries. In healthcare, we have smart wearables monitoring vital signs in real time. In agriculture, IoT devices manage irrigation and soil conditions, maximizing crop yields. Smart cities are optimizing traffic flow and energy consumption. Even our homes are becoming smarter with connected lights, security systems, and appliances. The benefits are immense. IoT enhances efficiency, reduces costs, improves decision-making with real-time data, and creates new business opportunities. Imagine a factory where machines predict and fix their own issues before they break down. But it's not all rosy. There are challenges too. Security is a major concern. With so many devices connected, the risk of cyber attacks increases. Privacy issues arise from the vast amounts of data being collected. There's also the problem of interoperability, making sure different devices and systems can work together seamlessly. Looking ahead, the future of IoT is incredibly exciting. We're talking about advancements in AI and machine learning that will make IoT devices smarter and more autonomous. 5G networks will provide faster, more reliable connections, paving the way for innovations like autonomous vehicles and advanced robotics. The IoT market is expected to grow exponentially, transforming industries and daily life as we know it. So there you have it. The Internet of Things is a game changer, poised to make our world more connected and intelligent. Stay tuned to see how this tech evolves and shapes our future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next video.